right, y'all. Well, welcome back. So today we're gonna go over this crate. Uh, Prior to this is my cooking crate, I guess. Prior to this, I was keeping my grill underneath the bed, and I had a separate tote that had some cooking supplies in it, and then I had some stuff in my file cabinet in the back here. So when I did the seat delete, I had originally planned to build this like fancy drawer system back there, and the more I thought about it, the more I just thought, well, maybe not yet. I wanted to see how this would work. There's a lot of people that will try to put all their stuff into one crate, so that's basically what I've done here. So I've got a Sterilite 15-gallon tote, and inside of this I have basically all of my cooking gear, and I should be able to just grab this out of the back of the truck. I plan to keep it in the back when I'm camping, and then I should be able to cook with it. Obviously, like, my dry foods are going to be in my little bin that I keep in the back here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you've watched my videos, you know that I have that back there. And then cold goods and stuff like that would be kept in the cooler. The only thing that I don't have in here is a bottle of propane, but I've always got one in here, and I just decided not to put that in this. So this is what it looks like all packed up. And inside of here I have a couple of plastic totes. We'll just pull these paper towels. I don't have an entire roll. I stuffed some in here. I've always got paper towels. There's some right there, but we've got paper towels. In this smaller little tote here that's not full yet, I have my spice rack, so that the labels on there aren't the greatest that came with it, but I've got a little spice rack there. That's the GSI Outdoor Spice Rack. I've got some cooking oil. I believe this is olive oil, and I found something that just had a screw-on lid. I didn't want anything with like a pop top or a flip top or anything. I wanted something that screwed straight on there, and I felt more comfortable about having that in there if I knew it was sealed. And then I also have a few measuring spoons, and there is some more room to put stuff in there. One thing that I don't have in here now and that I would like to put in here is a little bottle of soap to clean up with. Next, we have this. If you watched my last unboxing video, this is the GSI Outdoors one-person stainless mesh kit, and I'll just pop it open here quick and show you guys what we've got. You've got a little skillet that also doubles as a lid for the pan. This bottom pan, you've got a cup, you've got a tiny little plate, and you've got a little cook pot. I always pop the handle out of this every time I go to close it. Gotta be smooth with it. So I've got some cookware to use on the stove that is in the bottom of here. Next, we'll move on to this larger tote. And I don't know if there's stickers on here. Yes, there is. These are both the same brand, Smart Store. Maybe you can see that. And this is the same brand, same style. I picked this stuff up at the Container Store. They had the most stuff with different measurements that I thought I could find something that would fit properly. So inside of here I've got most of my basic cookware. In here I've got some extra trash bags, a rag, and like a scrub pad, fillet knife, tongs, metal tongs, I've got plastic spatula and spoon here. I may replace this with a metal one. We'll see. Can opener. Don't ever forget your can opener. I've got one little extendable fork here. I've always got another one under the bed. And then I've got a little mess kit here. I honestly don't know what brand this is. I believe it was just from Walmart. And inside of this, you have 2 plates. Maybe there's brand on the bottom. Nope, you get 2 plastic plates. 2 sets of silverware, plastic silverware, and you have 2 collapsible drinking cups. And these just fold back up. Kinda. Yeah, no brand on here. I honestly don't remember what it was, but I'm sure it probably came from Walmart. There's many different options like this. I'm just lucky enough that it fits right in here. And then we have cast iron skillet. I believe this is a 10-inch, it might be a 12. I think it's a 10-inch, and a small cutting board. And then I always have water with me, so you can then use this empty thing here, your empty tote, as like a wash basin to wash dishes if you need to. That's why I would like to have some soap in here. I just don't have any in here quite yet. So this all packs back in here. I do have a little bit more room to put some more stuff in here if I needed to. Not a ton, but enough for a soap container or something like that. I really wish this container fit this way and I could have put 2 of them in there, but as you can see, this pan and the handle takes up the whole thing and basically fits perfectly in there. I wouldn't have been able to use a smaller tote and have that inside of the tote. We'll set that behind me here. And then finally in here, we have the Coleman Grill. And this grill just fits perfectly right down in the bottom of that. And that's not a small grill. I think Coleman still makes these to sell. As you can see, I've used that a bit. It's kind of dirty and I should probably maybe give that a deep clean. But that's why I picked this container, because this just slides down. It fits right in the bottom of it. It sits in the bottom. The feet are on the bottom, but it is perfect size for this grill. And then everything just stacks back in here after you wash it, of course. And boom, you've got all your cookware repacked. It's all in the same spot. You can throw it back in the rig. If you're somewhere in bear country, if you're at a campsite, they usually have like metal bear boxes. I'm sure this would fit right into that. And just makes this easier to transport from the truck to a table or something if I'm not cooking on the tailgate, or if I'm at a campsite with friends and I'm gonna cook, I can grab this and kind of bring it into the center of camp or wherever we're going to be cooking at. Also, it just keeps everything together. Like I said, I had little bits stored everywhere, and other than the propane, which if I took this stuff out, I could carry propane in here, but I prefer not to carry propane in the cab of the truck, so I usually have it in the back here because this isn't as sealed as well as the cab would be. So it just lets it vent if it needs to vent or whatnot. But I think this is going to be incredibly useful, and if I need to grab something for a different camp adventure going with somebody else, I can easily take this with me if I wanted to. So it serves more uses, I can always have this with me if I want it. And that was about it, guys. I just wanted to go over this. We've got beautiful weather here right now. It's actually about 70 degrees today. Only about 50 now, but it's going to get up to 70. I'm sure you can hear the birds chirping and the geese honking in the background. We've got open water. I don't know if you guys can see any of that, but this whole lake here is open. So I'm going to get ready. I'm actually going to go home and swap this bag out because I do not need this heavy bag anymore. I'm going to go back to my other one, and then I'm probably going to get headed out to do some camping this evening and cook some food. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you on the next adventure.